To hide suggestion while typing in the Internet Apps address bar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable Show Suggested Search and Website option in the Internet App setting. To do so, open Samsung Internet App. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Address Bar Search, and then tap the blue on-off switch next to Show Suggested Search and Website until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Type something on the address bar. As you can see, as you are typing, your phone will not show any suggestion for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.